welcome back to my channel. Girl, you only got one video. One video. Please sit down somewhere. Hey, my name is ANYAH, and I'm here because I'm bored, and Halloween's coming up, and you need some costume ideas. Cute costume ideas, easy costume ideas, and I got you. I've made a board on Pinterest of some of these cute costume ideas, and I was gonna break them down into categories, but it's 40 plus on here, and I don't really I'll break them down. So we're gonna start with cute ones that don't require much but still make a good Halloween costume. Ready? Number one, we have this cute SpongeBob outfit. The cardigan eats. It really is giving SpongeBob. It's cute, easy, boom. Chucky's pretty easy to put together as long as you got that sweater and the overalls. Next we have Scooby-Doo. Is she not cute? Yeah, I love that. It's real cute. Next we have Harry Potter. You could be a wizard. Okay, all you need is the tie. For real. You could put the skirt together and stuff. It's really cute. Freddy Krueger is pretty easy. Pair the hat, the sweater, and the claws with anything. Trust, it's easy. Coraline, all you need is some blue hair and a yellow jacket. Hello, she is cute. Next we have Kim Possible. Pretty easy to put together. A black shirt, green pants, brown belt, bronzy orange hair, and some black gloves. You got it. Boom, easy. Next we have Arthur. Pretty easy. Yellow sweater, blue pants. I like how she did the space buns as her ears. That was pretty cute. Next we have the mouse from If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. Overalls and some mouse ears. Boom. Next we have Men in Black. Now you're like, how is this easy? Go get a suit and some black glasses. Actually, is that even Men in Black? It's giving security, but it could be Men in Black. Next we have Lilo and Stitch. I mean, if you order the skirt and stuff off of Amazon, it shouldn't be that hard. Next we have a Girl Scout. I thought this was so cute because I used to be a Girl Scout. I didn't make it past a brownie, but I was a Girl Scout. I guess it would be pretty hard if you don't have the vest thing or like the sashes or whatever. But you could order it maybe off of Amazon. I just thought it was cute. Next, any 2000s rapper. Girl, get an oversized shirt, some oversized pants, some sunglasses, backwards hat, and call it a day, okay? Pretty easy. Soulja Boy is a classic anyway. ANYAH, I feel like she's pretty easy to pull off and cute as always. I feel like she's pretty easy to pull off because all you need is like a little bandana, some shades, straight hair, baggy clothes. You know, pretty easy. Then we got a referee. Referee is easy, literally a striped shirt and black. All you gotta do is wear black and white, get a whistle. Okay, that's it for like the easy put it together 1 2 3 type beat. Next we have characters / costumes you could probably order off of Amazon. First we have Pirates of the Caribbean. I thought this was super cute. She ate that up. She did. Next we have Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. Yes, she was cute. I'm pretty sure they probably have that whole get up on Amazon. Next we have Claudine Wolf. Yeah, my girls eat it up every year. Next we have Daphne. Is that her name? Or Velma from Scooby-Doo. I feel like you can get this whole outfit off of Amazon. Next we have Pennywise. Pretty cute, pretty easy. I really like her hair. It's unique. Next we have Miles Morales. Literally, you probably didn't have to order this offline. You can go to Walmart and find this. But I like how she included the headphones. It just gives Miles Morales. Next we have, what's her name? Oh god. Cruella DeVille. My god. Girl, all you need is that wig and that fur coat. Yes. Next we have the Corpse Bride. Really, the wedding dress, the flowers, the headpiece, and the blue hair is all you need. The makeup is easy, but I thought this was a pretty cute one. Then we have Puss in Boots. Sorry, but this eats like the way she posed up on the wall. Yeah, that's all I got to say. Next we have Shuri or Black Panther. You could probably order this off Amazon pretty easily. Next we have this Scarecrow. Girl, them thighs. Woo! Girl, thickums. She is very cute in this outfit. She eating that up, and the makeup is cute too. Could probably get some hay off somebody's farm, put them in your boots, put some overalls on, their plaid shirt, get that hat. Girl, that's an easy Halloween costume. Okay, and lastly we have one of the sisters from the Proud family. I forgot their names. But paint your body blue, put on some gangster clothes, and you got it. Next, we have some group Halloween costumes. I found a couple that I thought would be cute to do with your friends. We're gonna start off strong with Miles Morales and Gwen. Like if you have a best friend or if you have a boyfriend, he could be Miles or you could be Gwen. Or if you're black and your best friend white, she could be Gwen and you could be Miles. You know what I'm saying? It's cute. Next, we have Strawberry Shortcake. I thought this was super cute. The hats, the outfits, the stockings, the purses match. Bro, I bet you they crocheted this themselves. It's super cute. Going back to Scooby-Doo, you got the whole gang here. And look at my queens. Cute as I don't know what. And they did that. Wow. I wouldn't have thought of this myself at all. I love a creative baddie. Next, I thought this was super cute. And easy. Like, all you need is some t-shirts, the skirts, and the hat. Like, come on. Mater and Lightning McQueen. That's super cute. Again, with the Girl Scouts, y'all could be besties in Girl Scouts. The Cheetah Girls. This was my movie growing up on Disney Channel. 'Cause we are sisters. This is super cute. I don't even know where they found the outfits at, but next we have the whole gang on Sesame Street. I don't know how they thought of this, but it's so unique and so cute. This is a really good one. Okay, and last but not least, I have found some that are makeup heavy. Like, as long as you have the makeup down, you probably don't need any big, huge, flashy costume. The Bad Case of Stripes. Girl, this eats. The curly hair, the makeup, the pajamas, like, it's so cute. Next we have this Avatar look. I think is so cute. You gotta kind of be decent at makeup to do this, but I think it's really cute. Yeah. You could probably pair that with like a black mini dress and some white. I don't know. Y'all not ready to talk about how if Avatar, like the place that's in the movie Avatar was a real place, existing place, you couldn't tell me there wouldn't be black queens. Cause look at this. Look at the braids. Their eye, like her eye color, like, you can't tell me. You can't convince me otherwise. This one right here, 10s across the board, A+. Look at her scar makeup, and then you get like a lion suit, like a little lion cat suit, and some girl, she ate that up. Then going back to Strawberry Shortcake, I thought this look was really cute with the little bonnet thing, the red hair. The makeup is super duper cute. Ah! Avatar, that's it. Is that Willy Wonka? No. The Mad Hatter! The Mad Hatter, that's crazy. Either way, she ate that up, and the makeup was super duper cute. Yeah. There's one more thing that I saw on Pinterest that I wasn't too sure if I should add because it was like an idea, and I don't want to like steal nobody's idea, even though I'm not doing it. But I should. But I'm not. Dochi Dial. Who did this? It was made by Swangelical. It's like a swamp monster, but like Dochi. Like, it's so cute, and I feel like my queens will eat this up for Halloween. It's like Monster High meets Dochi in the swamp. It's super cute. So if you do make this come to life this Halloween, I want to see, so you can tag me. My social medias are here. If you'd like to refer back to any of these ideas I found on Pinterest, my Pinterest board will be in the description box below. If you do that Dolce Down one, tag me and Swangelical so we can see. I want to see. I know you guys can do it. Anywho, I'd like to thank you for tuning in if you tuned in. And I'm gonna try to start posting on here a little more often, even though I be forgetting I even have a camera. Christmas is coming up. It's still the beginning of fall, and there's still lots of things to do, so I need to pick the camera back up and get back to it, and I will be doing just that. Yeah, I'll be real active on TikTok for the most part, so if you want to be friends, follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram too. I just be swiping and scrolling and being nosy, but TikTok is where you can find me every day, all day. I hope you guys have a great Halloween. Be safe out there, and I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Bye.